Hello YouTubers, welcome to my channel. So we picked up this Havana Classic 200. People categorize it actually as a 169, not a 200. So before you scooter ragers start telling me it's not a 200, I know. But I'll tell you what, I can get up to 60 miles an hour on this damn thing and I weigh over 200 pounds. So we're okay. It's made by Lance. Retail on these things are going for $3,000 to $3,500. I paid a whopping $400. Can you believe that? Some guy got it at an auction. He didn't write it much, and then he told me that he wanted to sell it because his nephews kept driving it and he was afraid they were going to mess it up and he wasn't going to be able to use it anymore. And he lives in an apartment complex and he can't keep it there, so sold it to me. So we're gonna clean it up. We're gonna go more in depth on what to do with it. Just to let you know, for those that don't know, the battery is under here, and then you have your seat here, and in your seat you have your little compartment where you can put your stuff. What stuff? I don't know. I don't know anything about this thing yet, but it's clean and it's mine for 400 bucks. That's where the gas goes. Let me show you the instrumentation. It only has 6,000 miles, 6,500 miles. Has your gas gauge, speedometer, blinkers, high beam. This is the kill switch. This is how you start it. These are the blinkers. This is your high beam, low beam. I usually have it on high beam so people can see me. This is the horn. And then you have your brakes. Rear brake, front brake. And you can't start it unless you put one of the brakes on. Look how quick it starts. Purrs like a kitten. And if you give it gas, she will go. Let me show you how it rides. Okay, so I went and gave her a little bit of a bath, washed her up, put some nice Armor All and tire cleaner and all that good stuff. Still a little dirty. You can see the tire there. Missed the spot. It looks way better than the other day. The Lance 200. I've had it a couple of days now, since you saw just a minute ago when it was dirty. And I've been driving it, and I cannot be happier driving this model. So I filled it up with gas and it cost me a whopping $3.48, and I've been driving the hell out of it. I've drove it 62 miles already because it was at 6,500 when I got it, and the needle hasn't even moved really. Very comfortable ride. Now, some of you I tried to drive a 50, a 50cc. This is a 200. And then I said, well, I want to get a 150. And the reason for that is I went and test drove a 50. And to me, it was a lot smaller. And I'm a short guy to begin with, but I felt like I was really crammed up against the handlebars. With this one, you can sit back a little bit further. And for people who are even taller, you can actually sit on the back here. I've seen it on videos where you can sit on the back here and your legs will be up here and you'll be comfortable. But as far as for me, I fit well on it just by sitting on the back here. My legs are comfortable. I put my feet up here, right there, to kind of push forward. It does have these pegs as well. They're built in for passenger. The only thing I need to do, because I mean everything looks pretty brand new on this this scooter or moped, whatever you want to call it, is I need to paint with high heat. I'm going to paint that either all black or silver. I'm not sure. Tell me what you think, but I'm thinking about all black, and then I'll paint the back there too, so it could be all black, probably a flat black, matte black, so it'll be, black all the way around. Right there is where you check the oil. Right there. You know what, I haven't even checked it. Maybe we should, right? Let's see if it's new or old. No, it looks pretty clear. Look at that. But it does seem like it might be low a little bit. So we'll find out what oil that needs and put some in it. That's where you check the oil. Look at the smog emissions. Now when I bought this, I didn't have to do any emissions. I'm here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I just took the title to the DMV and I got it. Well, not right away, but they're going to send it to me. So that's that. Now I was wondering, sometimes these have a kickstart. I don't see a kickstart on here. I'm assuming there's one, because some of them will have a kickstart. I don't see one on here. If I'm wrong and you think there's one, let me know. Now this does have a disc brake, as you can see. And from what I can tell, these Lances are pretty neat, because say I were to, this is the back brake here, but let's say I were to step on or press on the front brake. When you step on the front brake, it automatically kind of locks the back brake as well. So supposedly the way it works is when you press on this, it'll also give the back brake a little bit of a brake, so that way you don't accidentally flip forward, so that's kind of cool. And these Lancers are known for that, and that's one of the reasons I like this one a lot. Now this one's pretty self-forward. You like I showed you before, you press down one of the brakes and then just hit the starter button. It starts right up. And because it's electronic, you don't have to do a choke. There's no choke at all. See that? Pretty neat. So I can't be happier with it. I love it. It's great. And it gets up and goes. The fastest I've gone on it is 52. Now they say it goes 60, but I mean I really don't see any. I'm not going to go 60 on a street down here that's supposed to be 40, 45. But I will take it on the on Highway 10. And when I do that, I'll do the next video that way, and I'll mount my GoPro on there so you can see it. And we'll see what the top speed on it is. So as they say, please follow, like, and subscribe. And I'm trying to grow this channel. Oh, and by the way, it does have a USB for the phone. I need to figure out how to mount a phone thingy here. I've seen them mount it on this, and then the phone goes right here. So I might do that. But anyways, tell me what you think about it. We got it under 500 bucks. So I'm happy with it. Be looking forward to more reviews on this one. On the road again. Thanks for stopping by, guys. See you in the next video.